Delivery po.
Kung hindi ka, nakakainis ka po. Hindi mo talaga ako pinabihis.
Pa, yung po din isa si, ano po, delivery. Pa-open na lang po, sir.
Bagong sasakyan na ba ako? Ako lang yan. Ako lang yan. Hindi ate mo. Huwag niyang galingan. Naiyak na ako. Baka muna sa yung flower mo. Ito, may pa-flower. Dilawan? Ang haba na niya.
Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang takot ko sakali pa ika'y mawawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nagdarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di paasahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako.
Good morning, Randall. Hi, son. You're 39 years old today. We are so happy that you're back to normal now and you get better. Thank you to Jehovah for everything. He hears our prayer. Please continue serving Him. Don't forget to thanking everything every day because He is our salvation. Thank you, son, for giving me a lovely grandson. And thank you for looking after your wife, my daughter. Obviously, you're my son-in-law, so you're my daughter's husband. But I love you as my son. And please remember that I'm always here for you and for your son and for my daughter, obviously, because I'm your mom. Well, I'm your mother-in-law, but obviously I'm your mom. Have a nice day. Give my love and kisses to my grandson, my beautiful grandson. I love him so much. I love you, son. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Hello, mate. I know it's your birthday, bro. I know you've been through a lot of stuff. Yeah, but we getting there. I'm glad that you know, another year. I know you've been through a lot. You must have been in pain. I know, probably giving up. But again, it's another year and there's more to come. All right? You take care. Love you, my bro. Hope to see you soon. Take care.
Hello pa, tita. Happy birthday. Love you. Mama. God bless.
Anak, happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. At pray ko na complete healing para sa iyo, good health, at saka fast recovery. Saka pray natin na magkasama-sama na tayo dito nila, Kaylen. Ha? Ano, Kaylen?
Yeah.
Okay, love you all. God bless. Bye, Kalum. Love you, Kalum. Love you, Pinky. Love ko kayo. Love you. God bless. God bless. Bye. Mwah. Okay, bye na.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday pa ni Tito. God bless. I love you, Mama.
Anak, happy birthday! Wish you good health, long life, saka fast recovery. At saka, pray ko lang na nakasama ka namin dito. Always remember, mahal na mahal kita. Mahal ko kayo. Love you all. God bless. Inaantok pa si Kaylen. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Happy
Daddy.
Daddy. Happy
Papa. Mommy.
Yummy na ay. Yummy. Happy birthday. Happy.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. I wish you have the best day today. I know you have been through a lot lately and I'm really happy that you are staying strong and on the way to recovery. We just want to say that we love you very much and you know that we're always here for you. The girls want to say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. It's just so funny.
We love you.
Only fools rush but I can't tell. Falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? For I can't tell. Falling in love with you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, sir! Message mo ngayong birthday mo para sa mga nagpa-surprise po dito sa'yo.
Mayo,
thank you sa wife ko sa surprise, grabe. Hindi ko rin in-expect. So, yun lang. Ang wish ko siguro, yun, good health talaga para sa aming pamilya. Kasi, pirang weeks na rin na galing sa ospital, galing sa ganyan. So, pinaka-importante talaga ngayon yung health. So, yun, good health lang para sa aming pamilya. Okay na yun. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank
Salamat.
you.